Hi guys, this is so exciting. I finally got my first Boxy charm. Because I've been buying a lot of makeup lately. So this is going to be my first. So let's see what's inside my first Boxy charm. This is the base box. Okay. We're taking all the goodies out of the box first and then I'll show it to you individually. Estetica. Ooh. Moonlit. Ooh. This is by Dr. Brand Backlight Primer. You can try. Ooh. It's tinted. I like it. Kind of sticky. I love sticky primers. This is Kismet Polished Lip Plumping Gloss. Ooh. Ooh, I love the color. This is a good one. Sunday Riley Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. I know that Sunday Riley is an expensive brand. Eloise. Let's see. Is it good? These are nice colors. And that's it. Thank you. I hope it's worth it. Thanks for watching.